define the term pollutant. Define the term pollutant. Pollutants that pollute the environment and it is harmful for living organisms. A substance present in the environment, greater than its natural abundance, and causing harmful effect. Pollutant causing harmful effect is called pollutant. Second question is, state two causes of air pollution. Two causes of air pollution. So you can write here: smoke from factories, vehicles, from domestic fuels. And second is deforestation. Deforestation also causes air pollution because it causes the increase in concentration of carbon dioxide gas. How is carboxyhemoglobin is formed? Carboxyhemoglobin is formed. When carbon monoxide is inhaled. Now there is carbon monoxide, it is produced due to slow combustion, or it is also released from combustion of fossil fuels. Along with carbon dioxide, some carbon monoxide is also produced. It is inhaled when passes through the lungs, and it is passes through the lungs. When we inhale carbon monoxide and passes through the lungs into bloods, it combined with hemoglobin. To form carboxyhemoglobin. When carbon monoxide is inhaled and passes through the lungs into blood, it combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Next, state the harmful effect of CFC. CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. It causes the depletion of ozone layer. By decomposing ozone, this is ozone, into oxygen, and makes ozone hole. And due to ozone hole, ultraviolet rays enter the Earth's atmosphere, and there are numbers of harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Skin cancer, it damages the plants, eye blindness, so many diseases caused by ultraviolet rays. Global warming. Next is, suggest any three measures that can help to check global warming. Day by day average temperature of Earth's surface is increasing due to greenhouse gases. This is called global warming. And how can we check global warming? So, minimize the use of fossil fuels. We should not use excess of fossil fuels. Stop deforestation, because deforestation causes to increase in carbon dioxide, that causes global warming. Check the use of CFC like substances. And more trees should be planted. So these are the things which can check the global warming. Discuss air pollution. Section C. Give the meaning of term smog, and list its harmful effect. It is a thick fog-like layer. Made up of smoke and fog, and this is called smog. This is called smog. Harmful effect of smog. What is harmful effect of smog? It leads to diseases related to lungs. It leads to diseases related to lungs. For example, bronchitis, asthma. Smog also prevents sunlight to enter the Earth's atmosphere. Therefore, sufficient sunlight does not enter the Earth's atmosphere and it slows down the photosynthesis process in plants. So these are the harmful effects of smog. Next question is, write short notes on acid rain. Short notes on acid rain. Due to industries, vehicles using domestic fuels, fossil fuels we use as also domestic fuels, excess of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur trioxide are produced and it released in the atmosphere. Excess of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, trioxide and nitrogen dioxide released in the atmosphere. These gases come in contact with water, vapors and form acid. Here sulfur trioxide react with water, it forms sulfurous acid. Carbon dioxide react with water, it forms carbonic acid. Sulfur trioxide react with water, it forms sulfuric acid. These acids mixed into rain and make it acidic. Falling of rain containing acid is called acid rain. Okay, these acids mix into rain and make it acidic. Falling of rain containing acid is called acid rain. What is the harmful effect? It corrode metals. It corrode metal and ornament, that is gold and silver. It also corrode monuments, especially made up of marble, and it damages aquatic life. Question number 3 of E. List the main causes of increase in concentration of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases that trap the heat of sun, solar radiations and increase the temperature in Earth's atmosphere. It is coal. Coal is burned in thermal power plant to generate electricity. In thermal power plant, large amount of coal is burnt that produce carbon dioxide in large amount. This is greenhouse gases. Coal and wood also are used in domestic fuel that also produce carbon dioxide, and deforestation increase in concentration of carbon dioxide. These are the causes of increase in concentration of greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. Next, state the likely consequence of an increase in the greenhouse effect. What is the impact of greenhouse effect? Due to greenhouse effect, that means warming effect on Earth's atmosphere. Average temperature of Earth's atmosphere increasing day by day, and this is called global warming. Means greenhouse effect causes global warming. Second, warming of atmosphere. Warming of atmosphere leads to forest fire. Warming of atmosphere leads to forest fire. Write any 5 methods that can help to control air pollution.